truly rugged and highly reliable. Welcome to the first episode of the Extreme Testing Ground. When it comes to rugged computing products, one certification you'll often hear about is MIL STD 810. This is actually a set of environmental, engineering processes and lab tests, an American military standard used to evaluate a product's reliability and durability throughout its life cycle, under a variety of simulated harsh environmental conditions. As an industry-leading company, OneRun has subjected nearly all of its rugged terminal devices to a series of rigorous MIL STD 810 durability tests. Right now, I'm in OneRun's drop test and reliability lab. Here, we conduct directional drop and vibration tests as specified in MIL STD 810, along with related durability tests such as tumble tests and steel ball drop tests. Let's start with a directional drop test. We place the rugged terminal on the drop tester and select one surface for the test. The drop height is set to 1.22 meters. Once everything is secured, we press the start button, and the device drops vertically onto a plywood surface. After the drop, the device powers on successfully. Touchscreen buttons and all functions remain fully operational. In fact, we don't just drop it on one side. In each test cycle, the product is dropped once on every face, every edge, and every corner, a total of 26 drops. Next, we move on to the vibration testing equipment. With the device powered on, we secure it onto the vibration test platform. The vibration frequency is set between 5 and 500 Hz, and the test runs for over 1 hour in each direction, X, Y, and Z, one at a time. After the test, we inspect the device. The structure remains intact, and all electrical performance and functions are operating normally. This is our Tumble drop test machine. The interior of the drum is made of steel. During the test, we place the rugged device inside the drum, where it undergoes 100 consecutive drops and collisions as it tumbles repeatedly. After the test, we take the device out. The body remains completely intact, with no scratches or damage. It powers on normally, and operation is still smooth and responsive. Finally, we arrive at the steel ball impact test station. Many of our products use Corning Gorilla Glass or Panda high-strength glass. This test is designed to verify whether the screen strength meets the required standards. We use a steel ball weighing 64 grams, which is dropped freely from a height of 110 centimeters onto the center area of the product screen. After 3 rounds of impact testing, the screen remains structurally intact, and the display functions normally. Today's 4 environmental reliability tests were absolutely intense, but as expected, OneRun's devices performed brilliantly. Coming up next, how does OneRun perform under extreme temperatures? Stay tuned.